Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to query in Dynatrace. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so we have for Dynatrace query language, so DQL. So this is a standard for querying logs, events and metrics in the modern Dynatrace interface Rails. So we have few common comments, so I will show you. So right here at the top here, I will click on this plus button and then DQL. I will activate it right here, query Grail. And now what I can do here is basically we can add some commands. So let's say fetch is one of them, or maybe fetch logs like that, and you will see it right here what you have as an option here. Now what we can also is filters basically, so we can do like filter log level double equal to a error, something like that. This is like a filter. Then we have some summarizing. We have fields. So we have here for summarizing it something like that. And then we have fields and make time series and so on. So one example is here. So if we want to find an error logs from the last hour, we can put something like that into it, like that. And if we run that, you will see that here is no records about any errors in the last hour. And yeah, now this is pretty much it for query. So what we can do with that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the